Sterile processing is like the middleman between the repair company and the operating room, and that's a very vulnerable position to be in because you don't always have the answers or the intel that you need to answer simple questions. So what Repair Tracker does and what we do with our customers is we give them all the information we have so they know where their instrument is, what's being done to it, what was wrong with it, and when it's coming back to them. So Repair Tracker will document every single set that was pulled and serviced and every single instrument within those sets. And within Repair Tracker, they can tell that day what that technician did, if they had to pull instruments out because they were beyond repair or needed to be sent to our lab for further repairs. We can provide reports and show them trends. We can do in-servicing to help them minimize the repair costs. Through push notifications and through our Repair Tracker portal, they'll have the ability to see exactly where in the process their instruments are, from when we picked them up to when we dropped them off and everything in between as far as quotations, documentation of repairs, and ETAs.